Leute, guten Abend, was ist los jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Tonight, I have here a model kit from the latest anime of Bandai Namco, which is the Synduality, which was aired July 2023 and ended up this year, March 2024. So this is just a new anime that I didn't watch, so I'm interested in watching this. So fangen wir an, let's check this kit. Synduality Daisy Ogre Alter. So this is the upgraded version of the Daisy Ogre, which was released last year, I think, the Daisy Ogre normal version. But this one is the Alter, and there's an upgrade on its weapon and also the color. To be honest, I like the color of this kit because of it's very pleasant to the eye and not like the first one. So let's check this out and los geht's. Der Box steht schön aus und ich finde dieses Farbschema sehr schön. Es ist angenehm für die Augen, and I really like the color of this box, and it really suits the mobile suit or the Mecha color scheme here, which is very attractive, and even the color of the box, really I like it. So we can see here the Daisy Ogre with this graded blade instead of the whip from the old version, and there's this long gun here, longer gun than before, and there's this chainsaw weapon on the back of the head. So what I remember when I was looking at this kit is the Sakura Wars with some aspect of Votom's Scope Dog, something like that. So anyway, let's check the side of the box. We can see the front view of the kit, the rear view, and there are the action poses, the blades being launched on the left arm, and there's the gun, and there he's carrying his gun. Very nice, very impressive design, impressive looking kit. And there's this anime poster here, which, to be honest, I'm not familiar. I just watched some clips when this was first aired last July 2023, but I'm not interested at first. I only got interested with their model kit, which was released also last year. And there we have the some anime clips there, which is very nice, and there are this English translation there, and yep, Bandai is now improving for having this English translation on the side of the box. Anyway, too much for that. Let's open the box here and let's see what we can get inside. So we have here the instruction manual, which has the same picture on the box art, and there we have colored printouts for this page. But at first we have black and white printout there, and the kit looks easy to build. I remember building the Sakura Wars 2 months ago, and it looks the same. So the same level of building experience is, I think this is beginner friendly and it's easy to build. Okay, what I noticed here is there are two pilots, the android girl and the main mecha pilot, male mecha pilot, I think. And there he goes. There he goes on the front, and at the back, the android girl. So if you know how it is called, just comment in the comment section below. So let's check the items here. We have apple green and light bluish green colored runner here, which is very pleasant to the eye. The farm Shima is Shun. And we have white parts here for the armor pieces. There are the pilot figures and the android girl. And we have here color correcting stickers, foil stickers, and there's black runners there. Then we have here black parts and apple green parts there. Parts for the guns. The gun is really big. It's a pleasant looking gun, very nice. And we have decal sheets there. I don't know if these stickers. Yep, these are stickers. For the armor pieces. I'm not. I remember putting this kind of stickers. And look at this sticker. It looks like Amuro Ray sign. It looks like Amuro Ray. Very nice. And there we have black black runners here. And finally we have white parts, bluish green runners, and black runners here for the inner frame and hand parts. And also there's this stand included. And since I bought this from China, there are Chinese, I think this one is Chinese, I don't know, this is included. This is Japanese instruction for the newbies. So fangen wir an, let's check the runners before we build this kit. Wie üblich lassen Sie uns eine kurze Überprüfung für die Teile haben. So wir haben hier weiße Teile for F1 runner here for the armor pieces. Wait. And we have here the bluish green colored runners for the arm parts. Another bluish green runner. This is the H2. This is the H1, by the way. H2 and H1 runners. We have the E2 runner for the apple green colored parts. At the same time, E1 runners. So these are the apple green colored runners. For another white parts here. Actually, this is light gray colored runner, and this is white for the pilot and the android figure. And there we have this black part here. It's a multicolored runner, and obviously this is runner A. Bandai has the the coding for multicolored runner as runner A. So we have here gray colored runners for runner B for the arm or hand parts and the inner frame parts, and this stand for the mecha. Wir haben hier blaue Grauteile. This is gray parts for the inner frame, for the feet and inner frames, I think. And there we have this runner C2. So we have two sets of runner C2 here. And we have black runners. spots, runners, D1 and G2 for the knife, the mesa, and for the antenna, the kit, and shoulder armor. And finally, we have the gun runners here, which is very big. It's like a Gundam gun. Very big gun. Okay. And let's not forget, we have two sets of stickers here, the foil stickers and this water slide looking sticker. And I remember I put something like this in my Sakugan Big Tony. So this is a sticker, not a dry transfer or water slide eagles. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing review, and see you next time. Again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless and take care. Dankeschön, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.